So now we'll discuss the question number 71. So see this question. The ratio of close packed and tetrahedral holes in cubic close packing. Okay. So the ratio of cubic close packed and tetrahedral holes. Okay. So for cubic close packed, 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. So there are 4. So if the number of tetrahedral voids is 2n. Okay. So the value is 4:8. Okay. So the value is 1:2. Now the question number 72. So the answer is 3. If a non-metal added to be interstitial sites of metal, then the metal becomes less tensile strength. Okay. So the answer is 3, less tensile strength. Now the question number 73. A matchbox exhibits. Okay, the matchbox structure is orthorhombic, which is A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so these are the values. Now the question number 74. So which of the following will conduct heat and electricity? So metallic compounds or molecular or covalent or ionic. Okay, so metallic compounds will conduct heat and electricity very easily. Now the question number 75. So in fluoride structure, the coordinate number. Okay, so the fluoride structure which has 8:4, which has CaF2, which has 8:4 coordinate number. So the answer is 8. Okay. Now the question number 76. So previously I told you the question number in the case of the ionic crystal has greater than 0.732, the radius ratio. So we know that one 0.4142 to 0.732. So the coordinate number is 6. So the 0.732 1, the coordinate number is 8. Okay. Now the question number 77. Due to Frenkel defect, the density of the ionic crystals. Okay, in the case of we discussed in Schottky defect. Okay, the density will decrease, but in the case of Frenkel defect, there is no missing cations and anions. Okay, the anions, especially the cation which is present in interstitial sites only. Okay, so the answer is the density does not change. Okay, does not change this. Now the question number 78. The statement 1 is, if any ionic solid Mx with the Schottky defect, the number of positive and negative ions are same. Yes, correct only. And the second, equal number of cation and anions or vacancies are present. So both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So the answer is 1. Now the question number 79. So if electron is placed in the place of anion in a crystal lattice, it is known as. For example, if electron is present in an anion, okay, for example, this NaCl on heating, so the anions, the electrons which is present in anion position, okay. So this which imparts the color, which is called as F centers. F center means Farben center. Okay, so Farben center means it produces a color. Now the question number 80. Zinc blend structure and zinc filled up with. Okay, so previously we discussed this question. Zinc is filled with the tetrahedral holes. Okay, so the answer is half number of tetrahedral holes. Okay, so now the question number 81, answer is 1. 81 is, so the unit cell age length. Okay, so we use this formula 4R. 4R is equal to root 2 A. What is A? A is called as age length, right? So 4R by root 2 is called as A. Now the question number 82. So quartz is a crystal so it's a type of silica, right? So silica, the quartz is a three-dimensional structure. So this the quartz is crystalline. The crystalline structure is called of silica. Okay. So now the question number 83. So in this question, which of the following has less size? Okay. So less size means we already discussed in periodic classification. Okay. So based on this periodic classification, if the number of cations charge increases, okay, if they are isoelectronic species, okay. So what is meant by isoelectronic species? The total number of electrons should be same. So here it is. If the total number of electrons are same, the positive charge, which one, the ion which one has greater positive charge, so that one has very less radius. Okay, the ion which has greater negative charge, that one has more radius. Okay, so this is the clue. So the answer is 1. So silicon 4 plus. Now the question number 84. So cesium chloride. Cesium chloride is BCC structure. The radius ratio which belongs to 0.73 to 1.000. Now the question number 85. So density, what is the formula for density? Density is equal to Z into M divided by Na into A cube. What is mean by Z? Z means atomic number. M means Z means number of electrons in a crystal system. Okay, so number of atoms in a crystal system. M means molar mass. Na into A cube. So in your question they given N. Okay, so in the replacement of Z, so they given N. So N into M divided by Na into A cube gram per centimeters cube. So this is the correct answer. Now the question number 86. Frenkel and Shorty defects. So they are crystal defect. Okay. So which is crystal defects. Okay. Now the question number 87. A solid NaCl has bad conductor of electricity. Okay, since the solid which the solid which is a bad conductor of electricity because of in solid there is no velocity of ions. Okay, so because of there is no movement of this chloride ions. Okay, so if it is dissolved in water, okay, so the ions will the ionic mobility will be more. Okay, so due to these reasons in solid NaCl, so it will not conduct electricity. So the answer is solid, there is no velocity of the ions. The answer is 2. Now the question number 88. So what is Bragg's law equation? So we already know n lambda is equal to 2d sine theta. So which option? So the answer is third option. Now the zinc blende structure of the coordination number. Okay, so zinc blende is 4:4 coordination number. So the question number 89. So the answer is 4. Now the question number 90. So the structure similar to zinc blende is found in. Okay, so Zn is simply same. So similar ratio is copper and Cl. Okay, which they have almost similar structures. Okay, they are so the structure is similar. They are almost similar in sizes. So the structure also similar. Okay, so the question number 90. The answer is 2. Okay, I hope in this video you have a clarity about this question paper discussion. So from next video we'll see another part. Okay, so thank you very much.